Alright guys, what's going on? We'll get started in a minute. CJ, you're slacking, man. Better get that phone ready. Alright guys, what's going on? And I appreciate you guys getting some teams late. Alright, let's do this. Good luck, guys. 2 certified. Two rookies and stars. CJ, yes you are, man. You are here. So, I appreciate it. So we'll do one of each first. We'll do one and one. Jason, I hope you get some lines, man. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Certified was nice last time, so hopefully we get some nice certifieds. We got Carson and 99 Seahawks. Well, I appreciate it, Robert. Good, Richard. How's it going, man? Got Mahomes, 99 Chiefs. Kind of thick. We got coming up. Chiefs, Mecole Hardman, 150. Mecole Hardman, Chiefs, to 150. Williams, Pats, to 99. Favre, Packers, to 75. Another thick one. Got Giants, Slayton, 25. Slayton to 25, G-Men. You don't want to work. Who do you have again, Richard? Trubisky, Bears. Not numbered. Buffalo Bills, Dawson Knox, 99. Dawson Knox. Never heard of him. Who is Dawson Knox? Last pack of the box. Damn. Kyler Murray out of 10 for the Cardinals. Trey White, dude, you did well. Why didn't you let him go unsold? That is a monster. Alright, so let me get a mag for that. Let me get a mag. I didn't think it was an autograph, but it sure was. Once again, man, congrats. That is a monster. Kyler Murray out of 10. Burns out of 35, Panthers. Colts, 5 out of 5, Peyton Manning. Is that your first Murray? Do you have other Kyler Murrays? Well, I don't know how we go from that. Well, I was supposed to do certified, but we'll do the other rookies and stars. Hard to top that box. How much does something like that go for? Johnson, 99, Cardinals. Cooper Kupp, 25, Rams. Nice patch. You got Adams, 49, Packers. Got Breeze 90 or 75 Saints. Got Steelers 25 Benny Snell. Why not another Kyler Murray? That one is not an autograph, dude. Got Lions Ty Johnson at 125. Detroit Lions. Ty Johnson. Got Colts 99 Eric Ebron. Trying to keep up with the Virginia game and do this at the same time. Well, we got a redemption. Have a redemption. Rams Whitworth 25. I don't know who redemptions are, or if anybody good has a redemption. Let's see. Let's see who it is. Good luck. Dress for Success Prime Auto of Titans. A.J. Brown. Tennessee Titans. And last pack of Rookies and Stars. We got Raiders 99 Carr. Certified. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Cousins Vikings 199. Oh, somebody got my boy. Well, whoever owns the Redskins, Terry McLaurin 299. Just go ahead and tell me a price, because there's no point in me sending you this card because I'm going to buy it. So whoever has the Redskins. Yeah, Richard, I'll send it to you, man. Whoever has the Redskins, please sell this card to me. I'm trying to collect as many Terry McLaurins as possible. And I don't have a certified. Who has the Redskins? I can't remember who has the Redskins. Let me see. Roberts. Looks like we got to make some deals, man. You can keep the Tatis. Just sell me the McLaurin. Hurd $2.99 Niners. I'm up to like 15 of his autographs. So I'm just trying to collect as many as possible. Got Jaguars, Keenan Cole at a 75. I actually bought 2 more today of McLaurin. I've bought like 5 off Philippe. Lindsey 450 Broncos. Giants Saquon Barkley $2.99. Well, I'm a Redskins fan, so there's not much to be excited about but Terry McLaurin. Chargers $3.99 Adderley. Patrick Mahomes. Feels like a patch auto. Seahawks DK Metcalf. So I don't want to do Haskins, because Haskins is too overpriced. So I can do McLaurin, who's reasonably priced. Freaking top loaders do not want to work. You got Jags out of 10, Nick Foles. 10, Nick Foles. Last box. Last box, and hopefully some more Terry McLaurins. Come on, Terry. Dealing 450 Vikings. We got Niners. Very nice. Deebo Samuel 99. Sweet patch. It's one thing about Certified. They have some nice patch cards. Some nice patch cards. Lane, $2.99. Steelers. And Packers, Darnell Savage at 149. Darnell Savage. Green Bay Packers. Oh, you have San Francisco too? Well, nice. Beckham at a 35, Browns. Yeah, I'm doing an inner, an 8-box inner. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but it's still saying in transit. So my plan was to do it Wednesday, I believe, but I want to wait until I see something change with the shipping before I list it in the group. But the plan is to do an 8-box inner. I just have to wait until I see the shipping actually change to not in transit to decide on it. Parker, 75, Dolphins. It shows it was out for delivery on Friday, and then nothing's changed since then. So it was out for delivery Friday, but it hasn't been shown as delivered, and nothing's changed. So I don't know what's going on with it. But the plan is to do an inner. But I don't want to list it in the group until I'm somewhat sure it's going to be here in the next couple days. Thorson, $3.99, Eagles. And the problem is Monday's a holiday, so I don't know if they're going to be delivering on Monday. So they're probably not going to deliver Monday. So it's probably not going to change on Monday, the status. So I might not know anything until Tuesday. Steelers, Benny Snell. But the plan is to do it. What I'll probably end up doing is just listing it in the group and just hold off on payments from people until I can get a better idea of what's going on with the tracking. But we'll see. Dalton Bengals, $1.99. Alright, let's do a recap, guys. Two hits for CJ and one break. That's a new milestone, I think. So congrats to CJ. It's been a while. So we got Benny Snell, Steelers. Parker, Dolphins, 75. We got Beckham at a 35, Browns. Savage, 149, Packers. Debo, 99, Niners. Damn, man, that's worth some money. Those Galactics and Revolution are worth some money. Foles, 10, Jags. Metcalf, Seahawks. Barkley, Giants, $2.99. We got Cole, 75, Jags. Terry McLaurin, $2.99. Thanks, Robert. That's coming to me. We got A.J. Brown, Titans. We got Lions, Ty Johnson, 125. Snell, 25, Steelers. Cup, Rams, 25. Peyton Manning, Colts, 5 out of 5. The big one, Kyler Murray, 10, Cardinals. Knox, Bills, 99. Barkley, 25, Giants. And Hardman, 150, Chiefs. So that's going to do it, guys. Tomorrow I will list prices for a jersey break. And then we'll see about Revolution and when I'm going to list it. So I'll keep you guys updated on. Have a good night.